Hi everyone, welcome once again. We're going to go to create a trading account with Deriv as our broker. So a quick one, the link to this will be pasted in the description. So you copy the link and paste it in your browser and click on enter from your keyboard. Then wait for it to open. Here you put in your email address. So let's go quickly. At gmail.com. So here we are. And then we click on create account. So an email will be sent and then we'll go and retrieve it. Sorry. So here we are. Email has been sent. And then we verify the email by clicking on verify my email. Beautiful. Yes, the country I'm in is Ghana. So I select it. Go to next. Yes, I'm a citizen of Ghana. Then I create my password. So here we go. Beautiful. So I have my password. They tell me it's strong enough to do what it's supposed to do for me. All right, so I click on create password. Yes, I want to save it so that I won't have the difficulties of coming back to type every now and then. So I choose my currency. The currency I want to be trading in is the US dollar. Select it. And then, so I have to add my name, my particulars. I go ahead. Okay. And then I choose my date of birth. Okay. So good. And then 10th. Great. So I have it, and then I go to next. So I want to put in my number. So let's say all right, and then choose the purpose. I want to choose income earning. Go to next. So I'm self-employed. Go to next. Great. Okay. So that's the process. It's that simple and easy. Once you go through it, so I am not politically exposed. I declare and confirm that I am a citizen, that I am not a citizen of the United States. Yes. And then, yes, terms and conditions selected. I create my account. So it's that simple. It's that simple. So you want to create your Deriv trading account with a link in the description and you're good to go. Now, Deriv will give you access to trading on the platform 24/7. If you're trading currency pairs close by Friday. But if you're trading synthetic indices, you can trade every single day 24/7. All right, thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.